Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
When the dark, thunderous clouds gather, that's the time when it begins to rain and the temperature drops and the body starts to crave for a high-calorie fried food, for that healthy, feel-good, mood-lifting, energy-packed, crispy, crunchy, mixed vegetable cottage cheese chocolate pakodas. So let's start. Take vegetables of your choice, preferably the ones which we regularly make pakodas with. Cut, slice or grate them and take a bowl, add gram flour and rice flour. Once added, now add all the vegetables that we had chosen, including the cottage cheese. Once done, now add some carom seeds. Remember the tip that I have given? Red chilies. Remember the tip? Salt, preferably any natural or Himalayan salt. Coriander powder. Turmeric. That is just for color. Garam masala and mango powder. And remember the tip, keep spices at least half times more than the normal. Now add some water from any natural source and mix well. When done, set it aside. Semi-freeze or super chill almond stuffed chocolate nuggets or any chocolate. Now chocolate is very good for health, mental health. Now bring out the semi-frozen or super chilled chocolate nuggets when you are ready to fry the pakodas. Now add these chocolate nuggets to our batter and mix. Mix well. Let the chocolate get coated with the batter. Now the flame, the heat, the skillet, the kadai, the oil, and make a ball as usual we do with pakodas. Make sure that the chocolate nugget is there in each of the balls and don't overcrowd. Add one by one slowly to ensure that snacks are cooked right till the center. Use the half in the oil and half out technique of frying, and to ensure that snacks are cooked right till the center, reduce the heat from half to 1/3. Remember these tips whenever you are frying, and your snacks will be cooked right till the center. Flip and roll each one occasionally. With these two techniques, your snacks are going to be cooked not only very crisp on the outside, but right till the center. Keep flipping, keep rolling till each one is evenly browned and fragrance starts to fill the air. They get cooked well on all the sides and a knocking or a woodish sound can be heard. When you hear this sound, it means that your snacks are crisp on the outside, really very crisp, and evenly browned. Fragrance is in the air, color is even, and the knocking sound. Now bring them out from the oil using our nani and dadi's technique and allow the oil to drip back into the skillet or kadai or whatever you're using. Offload the pakodas onto a plate or a tray lined with tissues or paper napkins, kitchen towels or soap. Now continue with the rest of the batter and the chocolate nuggets till the entire batter and all the chocolate nuggets are converted into beautiful tasty pakodas. And there, beautiful, isn't it? Look at that knocking sound. Did you hear it? Now plate with any sauce, dip or chutney of your choice. Serve with any beverage, hot or cold, soft or hard, aerated, carbonated, natural or factory made, and enjoy with everyone, including your enemies too.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy, and eat healthy.